Guys, listen to me. What if I told you you don't need 30 days to feel a difference in your English? You don't need to memorize 1,000 words. You don't need to study grammar for 5 hours. And you definitely don't need to wait until your English is perfect before you start speaking. So, you just give me 3 days, just 3 days, not to become magically fluent, but to make your English faster, more natural, and easier to speak. Because here is the secret, you don't need to learn all of English. You need to train your brain to use the English you already know. This video will change your entire thinking about English because I'm going to give you a 3 days English speaking reset. Just 3 days, three different goals, and one simple rule. You must speak. Okay? So don't leave the video. Just stay at the last of the video. Okay? The very first thing we are going to fix is probably your biggest problem. Translating everything in your head. Imagine someone asks you, what are you doing? Your brain says, Hindi, then English, then grammar, then vocabulary, and then finally, I am doing. By then, you have already lost your confidence. So today, we are going to teach your brain something new. Not perfect English, simple English. Okay? Not perfect English, simple English. So our day one mission, for the next 24 hours, describe your life using very simple English. When you wake up, don't think, अब मुझे ये करना है. Try. I need to get up. When you are hungry, you can say, I'm hungry. When you are tired, you can say, I'm tired. When you are making tea, you can say, I'm making tea. When you are going somewhere, you can say, I'm going outside. When you are coming home, you can say, I am coming home. You're turning everyday life into English practice, and this is powerful because you are not sitting with the grammar book. You are connecting real life. Yes, real life English. Let's continue with day 2 of your speaking reset. Okay? So before going to bed, speak for 10 minutes. Talk about your day. Okay? Start with, today I woke up at whatever the time you woke up, you have to mention. Then I had breakfast. Then I dash dash, you have to fill this. Okay, this is your turn. After that, dash dash, you have to fill. In the afternoon, dash dash. In the evening, dash dash. And right now I feel dash dash. So don't stop, just write. Okay, if you don't know a difficult word, use an easier word. That's an important speaking skill. For example, you don't know the word exhausted. Okay? Say, I am tired. Communication is more important than showing off. Yes, that's your day one mission. Whatever I have given you, you have to fill in and just comment me down. Now, on day 2, because we are going to fix another huge problem. Many beginners learn vocabulary like this: happy, excited, okay, improve, and decision, opportunity, okay, confidence, and then they wonder, why can't I speak? Because a single word doesn't give your brain a road to travel on. A sentence pattern does. For example, don't only learn I want. Learn the pattern. Learn the pattern. I want to. Okay, for example, I want to learn English. I want to speak confidently. I want to travel. I want to improve my pronunciation. I want to become better at English. I want to share Shalima ma'am's video. Now your brain has a reusable structure, right? Okay. Now choose just 5 sentence patterns. Yes, only 5 patterns. For example, I want to, okay, I want to learn English. I want to speak fluently. I want to improve my vocabulary. Number 2, pattern number 2. I need to. I need to. So, for example, I need to practice. I need to study. I need to wake up early. Pattern number 3. I am going to. I'm going to work. I'm going to study. I'm going to call my friend. Number 4. Pattern number 4. I like to. I like to read. I like to cook. I like to watch movies. Number 5. I am trying to. Okay. I'm trying to speak English. I'm trying to improve. I'm trying to become more confident. Now comes the important part. Don't read these sentences only. Okay, make your own sentences. Use each pattern at least 10 times. That's 50 speaking repetitions. And suddenly, English starts feeling less like a subject and more like a tool. Am I right? Yes. Please do like this video. All right. Now, before we move to the next step of your 3 days speaking reset, let me give you one simple tool that can make this process much easier. Because improving your English is not just about listening and learning new words. You also need to speak. But the biggest problem is, who do you practice with? That's where Sparky AI can help. You can use it to have English conversation practice speaking and build your confidence without worrying about making mistakes or feeling embarrassed. So while you are following this 3 days speaking reset, try to spend a few minutes every day actually speaking with Sparky AI. I will leave the link in the description below. Now let's talk about the day 3. Day 3 is different because today we are removing your safety net. No subtitle, no reading, no copying, no looking at answers. Okay? Today you speak because there is one uncomfortable truth. You cannot become better at speaking without actually speaking. So today we are going to train your brain under a little pressure. Okay? So here is the second rule, the 5-second rule. I'll give you a question. Okay? You have only 5 seconds to start answering. Not 30 seconds, not 1 minute, only 5 seconds. Because real conversation don't give you unlimited thinking time. Are you guys ready? If ready, please let me know in the comment. Fast, 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 okay? So the question number 1 is, what did you do yesterday? Only 5 seconds. 1, only 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Speak. Yes, you have to speak out loud from your side. Don't worry about grammar. Keep going. Okay? Keep going. Now here is the question number 2. The question number 2 is, what do you usually do in the morning? What do you usually do in the morning? Okay? Now the time is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Speak. You have to speak. Either you can speak or you can write. Now question number 3. Why are you learning English? Why are you learning English? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Speak. Are you thinking? Are you speaking from your side? Are you speaking out loud? If yes, that's great. Now question number 4. What is one thing you want to improve about yourself? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Speak. Yes, come on, speak. Come on, speak. Whatever comes to your mind, speak. Good. Now, question number 5. What are you going to do tomorrow? Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now speak. Come on, guys, speak. Speak up. Yes. If you made mistakes, good. That's exactly what we wanted. Because day 3 isn't about proving that your English is perfect. It's about proving that you can keep speaking even when your English isn't perfect. Right? So here is the test. Yes, the 3-day test. Now let's see if the 3 days actually changed something. Record your answering this question. Tell me about yourself. Don't prepare, don't write anything, don't translate, just speak 1 minute. Then listen to your recording, okay, and compare it with how you sounded before day 1. You may notice you are starting faster, you're using familiar sentences more easily, you are pausing less, you are translating less, right? And most importantly, you are not as afraid of speaking. That's the real goal. Yes, that's the real goal. But here is the biggest secret. I want you to understand something. 3 days can create momentum. 3 days can make speaking feel easier. 3 days can help you break the fear of speaking. But 3 days cannot magically make you fluent. And anyone promising speak perfect in English 3 days is selling you a dream. Fluency comes from repetition, but the first 3 days can change the direction. Think about exercise. You won't build a completely new body in 3 days, right? But 3 days can enough to start a habit. English works the same way, right? 3 days can start the transformation. Consistency creates the transformation. Your 3-day formula, yes, your 3-day formula. So remember, day 1, think simple, okay? Stop translating everything. Describe your real life in English, in simple English, I can say. On day 2, think in patterns. Okay? Stop collecting random words. Build sentences you can reuse. All right? You can watch my 15 patterns. Okay? 15 patterns, which is available. I'll just give the link in the description as well. On day 3, think fast. Use the 5-second rule. Answer questions without preparing. Speak even when you make mistakes. And the final challenge. Yes, I'm giving you one final challenge for the next 3 days. Don't ask yourself, how can I learn more English? Don't ask yourself. Ask, how can I use more English today? Because that's the shift. You don't need another 500 words sitting inside your notebook. You need 50 words you already know to come out of your mouth faster. You don't need perfect grammar. You need the courage to make imperfect sentences. You don't need to wait for confidence. Speaking creates confidence. So start today. Start today. Day 1, day 2, day 3. And after 3 days, don't stop. Okay? Continue for 30 days, because the goal isn't to become fluent in 3 days. The goal is to become a person who speaks English every day. And once that becomes normal, fluency stops being a dream it becomes a process. This is Learn with Shalima. If you are serious about improving your English, don't just save this video. Do the challenge. Come back tomorrow. Complete day 2. Okay? Then day 3. And most importantly, guys, most importantly, don't just watch English. Use it. That was all 3 days English reset. Okay? I have told you everything, whatever you have to do in the next 3 days. You have to follow. Guys, one thing I would like to mention it here, that you people are complaining that your English is not improving. But you just see that you are not speaking a single word from your mouth. You are just complaining. So whatever the things I am sharing with you, you just apply it on yourself, follow it, and see the difference. Because if you are not going to do it, your English will never improve. Okay, so you should apply all the things whatever you like it. Maybe you like this 3 days, maybe you like this 3 days challenge. If you like it, please follow it. And if you think that yes, it's working, you just continue it for next 30 days. Okay, if your English will improve, please come back to me, comment me down that ma'am, I have completed this 30 days and I have seen the difference in my English, right? And I'm just promising you guys, your English will improve. But you have to follow it. You have to speak it. You have to open your mouth. Once you open your mouth, your confidence grows. Okay? You will not be afraid of making mistakes. You will not feel shy once you start speaking. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and I think this video helps you a lot. If this video helps you, please give thumbs up, hype up this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed my channel yet. Okay, for the new content. All right, so this is Shalima signing off. Take care and speak English with confidence. All the best.